Ever felt someone was lying to you, but you couldn't quite tell why? Your face might have already given it away. In less than a second, subscribe before your face betrays your secrets. Microexpressions are tiny, involuntary facial expressions that reveal what someone is really feeling before they even try to hide it. Psychologists say these split-second expressions can show emotions like anger, fear, sadness, disgust, surprise, happiness, and contempt. Here's how it works. Happiness. A genuine smile reaches your eyes, causing crow's feet. Fake smiles only move your mouth. Anger. Eyebrows lower and eyes stare intensely. Surprise. Eyebrows shoot up, eyes widen, mouth opens slightly. Fear. Similar to surprise, but lips stretch horizontally and nostrils flare. Disgust. Upper lip raises, nose wrinkles. Sadness. Corners of the mouth droop, inner eyebrows lift. Contempt. One corner of the mouth raises a subtle smirk. These expressions flash in just 1/25th of a second. That's faster than a blink. Most people don't even notice them, but your brain does. Imagine this. You give a friend a gift. They say, "Wow, thank you." But their micro-expression shows disgust for a brief moment. If you missed it, you might think they liked it. Micro-expressions reveal the truth your words hide. Or, in a professional setting, a colleague says they're fine with a project, but their fleeting anger or fear might hint they're worried or annoyed. Catching these tiny signals can make a huge difference in understanding people. Here are a few ways to notice them. Watch the eyes. They often give away the strongest emotions. Look for mismatches between what someone says and what their face shows. Pay attention to micro-expressions in high-stress or emotional situations. They're more likely to appear. So next time someone's face twitches or flashes an emotion for just a split second, remember, that tiny expression might be telling you a secret. Faces don't lie, even when words do. Subscribe before someone reads you next.